Okay, so if you're a video creator, you know this feeling all too well. You've just dumped a memory card full of footage onto your drive, and now you're just staring at this folder of chaos. It's totally overwhelming, right? You know the gold is in there somewhere, but man, the thought of actually finding it is just exhausting. In this explainer, we're going to look at a little tool that's designed to fix that exact moment of dread. I mean, this quote just nails it, doesn't it? That's exactly what it feels like. You're facing dozens, maybe hundreds of clips before you've even made a single cut. It's a universal pain point, and it's exactly what we're going to tackle today. So first up, let's talk about what I'm calling the pre-editing puzzle. This is that crucial and honestly often overlooked phase where a project is either set up for success or it gets completely bogged down in chaos right from the start. And yeah, the pain points, they are so specific. You've got that slow, tedious scrubbing through hours of footage. You've got all those little short, unnamed takes from the camera, IMG 4071, IMG 4072, you know the drill. And all the while, your poor laptop sounds like it's about to take off, fans just blasting away trying to preview these massive clips. Let's be honest, this isn't creative work. This is just searching. So, what's the solution here? Well, let's meet Markerflow. It's a super focused app that's designed to organize all that chaos before you even think about opening your main editing software. Look, Markerflow's entire purpose is to do one single thing, and do it exceptionally well. Help you find, flag, and organize the best moments in your footage. It's all built around speed, using visual cues, and making your selects dead simple to share with an editor or, hey, even just with your future self. Now, I want to be super clear about something here. Markerflow is not a replacement for Premiere or DaVinci Resolve or Final Cut. As you can see, it doesn't do trimming or audio mixing or final color grading. Think of it like a specialized tool, a scalpel, that handles the initial heavy lifting, so your big NLE can do what it does best, the actual creative edit. At the end of the day, it's all about speed and efficiency. The entire value of this thing is in accelerating that find and flag phase, getting you or your editor to the exact frames that matter, without wasting hours scrubbing through all the stuff that doesn't. So how does it actually work? How does Markerflow build that bridge from a chaotic folder of clips to a clean, usable XML file that your editor can just get to work with? Let's take a look at the workflow. Its core features are all built for pure speed. It's keyboard first because fumbling with a mouse is slow. You get 10 instant color tags just by hitting the number keys. You can make 1 your A roll, 2 your B roll, whatever you want. All the shortcuts are fully customizable. And this is a big one. It's a lightweight app that runs smoothly even on a modest laptop. Then it just spits out a clean XML file your editor is going to love you for. And the workflow itself, it's beautifully simple. You just import your footage. As you're watching it play, you use the bracket keys to mark a good take. Then you hit a number key to color code it, and maybe you tap M to add a quick note like best take or funny reaction. That's literally it. When you're done, you export the XML and boom, your project is organized and ready for the fun part. So what's the payoff? Well, look at this. A pre-editing process that used to be a 2, 3, maybe even 4 hours slog can now become a 20 to 30-minute mapping session. That's not just a little improvement. That is a massive change that gives you hours of your creative time back. So who is this really for? Who benefits the most from this kind of workflow? Let's break down the ideal users who are going to feel this impact immediately. Well, you can think of the freelancer on the go, prepping footage on a laptop in a coffee shop, or small studios that have to churn through tons of short projects really fast. How about documentarians who need to tag specific sound bites in hours of interviews, or YouTubers who are just trying to quickly mark their best punchlines and find the perfect B-roll shots? If any of those sound like you, this thing is built for your brain. And this all points to a bigger idea, really. It's a fundamental shift in how you approach the editing process. It's about elevating your work from that tedious, mind-numbing scrubbing to actual creative shaping. Now, if you do jump in, here are a few pro tips to get the most out of it right away. First, standardize your color map. Make 1 always A-roll, 2 always B-roll, and share it with your team. Use short, consistent notes for context. You could even train an assistant on this workflow super easily. And of course, remap the keys to fit your personal style perfectly. So let's be real about the trade-off here. Markerflow will absolutely accelerate your entire pipeline, but it's not a replacement for your main editor. Its job is to be the fast, specialized first step, not the whole staircase. It really all boils down to reallocating your most valuable resource, your creative energy. Stop wasting it searching for the moments and start spending it shaping those moments into a story that connects with people. And that leaves us with one final thought, one last question to ask yourself. In a world where efficiency is everything, are you still paying for your projects with your time just to scrub through footage? Maybe it's time for a better way.